Let's look at the configuration of our custom smart number field that calculates the remaining budget. As we could see in our work item, this smart field takes the budget from the item and subtracts the sum of all costs from all the subtasks. And this is exactly what the formula does. This at the front is the custom field budget. From that is subtracted the sum of the field value of this field, which is the cost, in all the subtasks. So you can see there are some simple functions we can use to build our expressions, but these are all very simple and straightforward, comparable, for example, to simple Excel functions or something like that. You might also be a little bit intimidated by the custom field ID here. Say, I don't know the IDs of all my fields by heart, but that's no issue at all. You don't actually need to know the IDs. This is just so that the function still works if you change the name of your fields. That's why we refer to them by ID, but you don't actually have to know them. You can use the add field functionality up here, look for the field that you want, and then just click on it to use it in your formula, and then it inserts exactly the term you need. And that also works the other way around. So we just saw this is the total budget. If you look at the formula and no longer know what is this custom field 10335, then you can also just put the ID in there, and then it tells you that's the cost field. And for all the functions in here, you also don't need to know them by heart, but you can use our built-in little handbook, for example, that gives you for all functions, in this case, for example, the sum function, a description of how that function works, and an example that you can copy and use and then adapt to your needs. So you don't need to learn any of those functions by heart to build those expressions, but everything in here is built to help you puzzle them together like little building blocks. If you're then not sure if your function is really doing what you want it to be, you don't need to save it and then go to your issue and look there, but you can use the expression testing that is built in. Just pick the issue or work item that you want to test it on, click run, and get the result for that example to see whether it's working as intended. For number fields, you have the option to put in some formatting. So in this case, we want to make clear that this is a monetary value in euros. So we have this formatting pattern that puts euros behind there. We also have one for dollars, but you can also use the number formatting to build your custom format. If you want to, for example, show a number of hours or put the percentage sign behind, and that's it. It's as simple as that.